How you doing, developers? Today we're gonna tackle on a topic that's kind of pissing me off. All right, so this one is not gonna be informative like my other videos. It's a little rant of something that I'm tired of seeing. All right, what I'm tired of seeing is crap. All right, now developers, I made a couple of videos now already. Let me roll my sleeves up for this one. I made a couple of videos of how to design games, right? So at least you know how to design games, and I made a couple of videos on marketing, so you know how to market, all right? I try to help developers out with the tips that I know will help them, all right? But now there's something I see online that I don't like, all right? I was just looking online now, all right? I see different forums like, Game Salad, Cocos, Corona, different forums where there's developers and they talk about casual games, and they're like, oh, short focus games are casual games. All right, so they make a game. All right, they what do? They don't know how to draw. Right, they're too cheap to get an artist, and they're too lazy to learn how to draw. So they take pictures, from the internet of different games. All right, so they have a background that looks like a forest. Then they'll take another game and get an astronaut. All right, and then they'll take another game and get like a rock. All right, and then they go to Super Mario Brothers and they take the land piece out. All right, and then they edit it so they can use it for the game, and they call themselves drawing graphics. All right. Oh wow, these graphics are the best. All right. So now they slap this game together, right? Let's say it's a platform runner game, right? Okay, so they have this static background that never changes. All right, they have this picture of a freaking astronaut. All right, and he's supposed to be running, but all you see him do is he's moving. You see the screen moving, so you know it's the illusion of him moving, right? But his feet are not moving, his arms are not moving because it's just a static picture. All right, and then you press the screen and he jumps over a rock. All right, and then you get a score, and then this idiot developer will call it a game, right? You look in the description and be like, "Oh, this is the best game ever. Check this game out, guys. It's awesome graphics, high intensity running, so much fun. Download now and rate it 5 stars." All right, no, rate that shit 1 star and report it to whatever company, whether it's iPhone or Android market, as a scam. All right, and some of these dumb games actually have the nerve to have in-app purchases, and they're garbage. All right, look, casual does not mean garbage. All right, casual means a short focused game that you can pick up and play. All right. All right, I don't want to see. I saw another game where it was supposed to be, oh, super awesome space shooter. Play as a ship destroying other ships in the sky. Will you save the universe? All right, I see that in the description, so it's like, all right, this is a fun game. It's a shooter game. I'm thinking Gradius or some R-Type, one of those old games or something. So see the game, the first screen, already know it's crap. All you see is a crappy start button that looks like it was copied from another game, and some of it is missing because when they ripped the graphics, they didn't get the whole graphic. All right, so you press the start thing, right? Then it jumps to the screen. Now there's no background music. Okay, now I see my ship on one side and it's shooting automatically. Okay, easy controls. I move the ship with my finger and it shoots automatically. All right. Then I see the enemy ships, right? But now there's a problem. The enemy ships look like my ships, and they shoot the same bullets. What the fuck is that? That's garbage. All right. Look. And then these same developers, right? I swear, I swear, these same developers go online. They're like, oh man, my game didn't do well. I made a short, simple game that everybody can play. Are you serious? You think that piece of crap is gonna sell? Look, I'm tired of this, and if you're tired of this, share this video other places so developers see. I don't care what, if the developer has a beef, come tell me. Look, your game doesn't have to be the best game. Let's say you're an artist. You're not an artist. I mean, draw the best art you can. All right. You have the game. You don't know how to program that much. Ask other developers. There's other developers that will help you make a game that's good. All right, don't just, oh, I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna take this template, all right, this half game that's not even finished, and upload it and hope I get $1,000,000. You're not. You're not. All right. Once in a blue, someone gets lucky with a fake Pokemon clone that Apple allows to sell just because they're gonna keep the 30 cents and then charge the developer the rest of the money, and they refund it back to the people. But besides that, it's not gonna sell. And furthermore, all this crap, what it does, why I'm pissed off, right, is number one, I see it online where these I was just looking, where these developers are like wondering why they're not making money making a game like that with no features, no achievements, no in-game shop, no level select, no nothing. All right, enemy looks like the hero, doesn't make sense. And then they're scratching their head. They're like, oh, why am I not making that million? It's just at the tip of my fingers. All these other people are lucky. No, they're not lucky. They worked hard. Yeah, luck is involved, but they work hard. All right, they didn't put that type of crap out there. All right, all right. Now you're making me say all right too much. But stop making crappy games, man. Like I said, game design. If you want to know how to design games, I got videos for it. All right, and you can go online. You can get coding advice from your respective forums. There's people that will help you. All right, just put some damn effort into your games. You understand? Stop making crap. I don't want to go to the App Store and it takes me like 20 or 30 minutes just to find a game to download because I got to shift through a whole bunch of crap. All right? And also a message to these iPhone and Android, the people that do the top picks. You know, look, pick good games for the top picks. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't matter if EA made the game or something like that or Capcom. They still make crappy games. They can make a game, you know, like Marvel versus Capcom. A Capcom made for iPhone, the controls are terrible. All right, just because it has a name doesn't mean it's a great game. All right, start treating these mobile gamers with respect, and maybe you make some money. All right, because there's a lot of hardworking developers that take time and effort to make great games, but they get passed over because gamers are so used to games being a scam that they don't really trust. You know, and then a good game will get skipped over a bad game just because the people can't tell. Make good games, you make good money. All right? All right. Thanks. See you later, guys.